We collect about 12,000 kilograms of air cons per day. It's equivalent to 150 air cons. Hi, I'm Zihan, Operation Manager of Cheng Hwa Trading. Our company has been operating for 18 years, starting from a small Karanguni collector to now a NEA licensed e-waste recycling facility at Kranji Green. They collect from all over Singapore and come back to unload and release. We will separate them into pallets and stand by for recycle. The refrigerant is very toxic to the atmosphere, so it will damage the ozone layer very quickly. So we try to capture all the refrigerant into the cylinders and do reclamation. So these are the dismantling stations. Once they dismantle the parts, they will put it on the conveyor belt and the sorters will sort it out according to their items. The main of the aircon are metal itself. So the metal cases are very bulky and very loose. So we need to compact it to save our space and to have more volume. We hope that people will know what is the proper recycling of air condition. There is refrigerants and precious metals in the aircon itself. So we do want everybody to do it properly.